The clutch assembly allows the engine to idle without the trimmer head moving. When the engine speed is increased, the clutch expands and contacts the clutch drum, causing it to rotate. Common problems with the clutch are worn down clutch pads and a weak clutch spring. When the clutch is worn, it will slip under load. A worn spring will cause the clutch to never cut out. Replacing the clutch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the engine. Next, I'll separate the engine from the clutch housing. And now I can remove the clutch from the flywheel. And now I can install the new clutch. I'll place the two flat washers on the clutch mounting posts. Then I'll align the clutch with the posts. You'll notice there's writing on one side of the clutch and a couple of arrows, and nothing on the other. The side without the writing is the back side. The writing should be facing up. I'll apply some red Loctite to the screws and make sure that the wavy washer is on the screw. And I'll tighten the screws in place. And now I'll reinstall the engine to the clutch housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the starter assembly. And now you know how to replace the clutch in your outdoor power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.